It's Friday today and welcome to another daily vlog. So now I'm driving to the mall. I just have to run some errands. So first, I have to check Speedo for new trunks for swimming. Second, I have to get pimple injection. Third, I have to update my journals. It's been how many days already that I haven't updated it because I'm really busy. So I have to update it. Then fourth one, grab dinner before going home. And I have to edit some contents. So I didn't know that making content, it really takes a lot of your time. You really have to set aside time for it to really edit, to really compile everything, to put music on it, to create everything. So it really takes a lot of time. Now I'm getting it, how hard to be a creator. But anyway, it's fun doing. Actually, so far I'm enjoying sharing my life with you guys. I just got back this morning from Riyadh. So when I got home, I just unpacked my stuff and grab a nap. Just a quick nap. I cannot sleep so long because for sure I will be having hard time sleeping at night. So I really want to reset my body clock to Manila time. So kaya naisipan kong lumabas ngayon at pumunta na lang ng mall para may gawin ako. Then siguro hindi ako magpapagabi ngayon kasi pag uwi ko siguro mag-chill na lang ako, manood ng Netflix. And I would just wanna continue watching my When Life Gives You Tangerine. Parang gusto ko nang tapusin siya habang nandito ako sa Manila. Actually, naisip ko nga na panoorin sana yun habang nasa Riyadh ako. Kaya lang, wala pa rin. Parang it's either I sleep or I swim when I was there. So, yun. Come with me with my adventure today. Quick adventure today to the mall. So, tingnan natin kung ano mabibili natin today sa mall. Okay, see you! So, going to the car now. It's time to wrap up my day today. Time to go home. So, see you on my next daily vlog. Good night.